Introduction. Traveling is a popular topic of conversation among people of all ages. When discussing past travel experiences, the past simple tense is commonly used to describe the actions and events that occurred during the trip. In this essay, we will explore how to use the past simple tense in travel conversations by providing numerous examples. Main body. 1. Talking about the places visited. Last summer, I visited Paris and saw the Eiffel Tower. When I was in Japan, I tried sushi for the first time. On my last trip to Italy, I explored the ancient ruins of Rome. 2. Describing activities during the trip. We hiked to the top of the mountain and enjoyed the stunning views. I went snorkeling in the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean Sea. She visited the famous art museum and admired the masterpieces on display. 3. Sharing experiences with transportation. We flew to London and arrived at Heathrow Airport in the morning. They took a bus tour around the city and learned about its history. I rented a car and drove along the scenic coastal road. 4. Recounting interactions with locals. The locals were so friendly and welcoming. We chatted with a street vendor and learned about the traditional crafts. He asked for directions and the locals were happy to help. 5. Reflecting on memorable moments. The sunset over the beach was absolutely breathtaking. We watched a traditional dance performance and were captivated by the talent. She captured stunning photos of the landscapes and wildlife. Conclusion. In conclusion, the past simple tense is essential for sharing past travel experiences in conversations. By using this tense correctly, ESL students can effectively communicate their adventures, experiences, and memories with others. Remember to practice using the past simple tense in travel conversations to improve your English skills and engage in meaningful discussions about your travel experiences.